What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are tackling some headlights. Now, I started this a couple days ago, ran into a problem, and now I had to restart everything all over again. Wasn't the case. And now it's full of water. I ordered a bunch of stuff to customize it and put on the inside of the lens. Got brand new headlights because the lenses on the stock ones are trash. And completely had no idea that there is, within the first gen, like 2003 to 2006, there's two different styles of headlights. There's a 8-pin HID, and then there is a 6-pin halogen bulb. And I have the upgraded HIDs, but the ones I bought were a 6-pin, and I went through and did them all up and came out to test them and plug them in. Didn't work. So spent all day today working on this, and we finally got one side just temporarily wired in to test it. So this is what we're working with. So we have our stock poopy headlights that are all faded and scratched and just disgusting. And then we have our not so poopy headlights. So we went through and painted the whole housing black, deleted the running light and the stock turn signal, threw in the sequential LED. There's a demon eye back there. We painted the face. We did it all up. See, there's the sequential LED. And then back to the running DRL. So now, that only took like 5 hours and a day and a half wasted on the old set. So let's go ahead and pull out the passenger side, start throwing that in the oven, and start baking apart the other headlights so we can get the new lens out of the new headlights. And let's start building this one. Okay, so we got the headlights all put back together. Just remember, don't forget to take out the screws. There's 5 of them, 3 on the top, 1 on the side, 1 in the bottom corner. Yeah, just don't forget to take those out because it could be really hard pulling the lenses off. I set the oven for 200 degrees for 10 minutes, comes out fine, don't really have to worry about anything melting. Just be sure to take off everything you don't want in there, like the headlights, or the headlight bulbs, the ballasts, all the wiring, anything that you can take off that you don't want to go in the oven, do it. So yeah, so we got them back out. we got them put back together. I put extra silicone in there and let them sit overnight. The silicone I used was just this black, focus, there. So just adhesive sealant, black silicone. That's what they recommended for plastics, glasses, things like that, and it looked really similar to what was used from factory anyways. You can pick this up at AutoZone, get 2 tubes. I did a tube and a half between 2 headlights, and it's like $8 a piece, so hopefully this works. So let's go ahead and throw this headlight back in and test all of our wiring one more time. Alright, so we have everything kind of plugged back in. We're just going to check the wiring at the moment. So the way I have them done is the switchback sequential should be hooked into a constant power the minute the ignition is hooked on, so it's tied into our factory running light, and then also tapped into our blinker. So we should have these on all the time, and then they should be sequential yellow when we go to turn left or right. We also have our demon eyes on. The way I wired those in is I also tapped the power from the running light. That way I could have power at shows. I did it so in a way so that the running strip wouldn't be on with the demon eye at the same time. I could split the two, but the nice thing is the minute I turn the car on, I can't run the demon eye, so I can't run it while driving down the street. So I guess that's kind of a good thing. But let's go ahead and test this wiring. Oh yes, that looks so good. Now let's test the sequential. Oh, that looks so good. I am so amazed. And they're turning the right way, so we did that right. I was a little worried about that. But now let's go ahead and test the demon eyes. So all this stuff was through xkglow. So let's pull it up on the phone app right here. Boom. Oh, I'm so stoked on this, you guys. You have no idea. So the way, see here. So the way that I did this is it's hooked up to the battery. Everything's on constant power, and I've been running the power on and off for the demon eyes through my phone. So just a little right there. So right there, we'll hit power. The demon eyes are on, and then we can come through. And we can control it all through our phone. So right now we'll just leave it on red, but I'm so excited for this. So now that we've checked all our wiring, I'm gonna go through and tuck everything and make sure the wheel isn't gonna touch anything, and we'll put our bumper back on and we'll call this a day. All right, there she is, all put back together. Lights all work, everything is still working, even though we had a ton of water in there from the first time we've done this. But I think we're good to go now. It looks like it's gonna start raining again, so praying to God we don't get moisture back inside these headlights. But if we do, I'll just do it all over again, I guess. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned. We have some more stuff being delivered here shortly, probably in the next week, next couple of days. We got more body pieces coming in, and then we can get this thing off to paint. So if you guys like, comment and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one.